Right now, you're looking at over £5.7 million of sheer power slowly creeping toward the launch pad. This is the Artemis rocket, NASA's ticket back to the moon. But do you have any idea what a single rollout like this actually costs taxpayers? Stick around, because the price tag is even more massive than the rocket itself. To move a giant like the Space Launch System, or SLS, NASA uses a machine as legendary as the rocket itself, the Crawler Transporter 2. This massive vehicle weighs over £6 million on its own. It's been in service since the Apollo era, but it was recently upgraded to handle the 98-meter-tall Artemis stack. As it creeps toward Launch Complex 39B, it consumes roughly 125 gallons of diesel per mile. At a top speed of just 0.8 miles per hour, this 4-mile journey takes anywhere from 8 to 12 hours. It is a slow, methodical dance of engineering precision. Standing 322 feet tall, the Artemis 1 configuration is taller than the Statue of Liberty. When fully fueled, it weighs a staggering 5.75 million pounds. Most of that weight is propellant, liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen, needed to generate the 8.8 million pounds of maximum thrust required to escape Earth's gravity. That is 15% more thrust than the historic Saturn V rocket. Looking at the base, you see the 4 RS-25 engines and the 2 towering solid rocket boosters. These boosters alone provide over 75% of the initial thrust during the first 2 minutes of flight. But let's talk about the elephant in the room, the cost. The SLS program has faced heavy criticism for its price tag. Developing this rocket has cost NASA over $23 billion since 2011. But it doesn't stop there. Each individual launch is estimated to cost around $2 billion. If you factor in the Orion spacecraft and the ground systems, some estimates suggest the total cost per launch could soar toward $4 billion. It is, without a doubt, the most expensive path to deep space ever built. So, why do we do this? This rollout isn't just for show. It's a critical test of the mobile launcher's structural integrity and the rocket's ability to withstand the vibrations of transport. Every inch of this 4-mile path is monitored by hundreds of sensors. Artemis is more than just a rocket, it's the foundation of the Moon to Mars architecture. By returning to the lunar surface, NASA aims to establish a long-term presence, testing the technologies that will one day carry humans to the Red Planet. As the SLS finally arrives at the pad, the final countdown begins. It represents the work of thousands of people and decades of dreaming. The road to the moon is long, expensive, and incredibly difficult, but the view from the top is priceless. If you want to stay updated on the next Artemis mission and the future of deep space exploration, make sure to subscribe. The journey is just beginning.